And then if you do try to, you're in a car here and you just look at someone else waiting in their car, then they get sort of defensive and nervous, you know.
Yeah.
So well, it's weird. It's really strange.
Like that guy who was
The windshield.
yelling out the window at you when you were driving.
Oh yeah.
You were talking on the phone.
God, I was going to see Sharon, and I was on my way over there to the creation office, and this man was behind me, and I was trying to get onto the freeway, and he just kept honking at me, and he was trying to go around me, and he was really angry. There's nothing I could do, right? I have to get on the freeway. So I start to get on the freeway, and he's still trying to get around me. So I just, can I tell him what I did?
Sure.
I flipped him off in my rearview mirror. I did. I was really angry. And actually, I wasn't that angry. I was. So anyway, yeah.
Well.
Okay. Anyway, so so this is what happened. So I'm like, you know, shut up, you know, and in my mirror, and I didn't know who I was dealing with. So basically, this guy came around me. Now we're in the first lane of the highway.
No, he's angry and it's personal.
He was pissed. He got in front of me, slammed on his brakes, so I had to completely stop.
Great.
Yeah, and I just thought, okay, maybe I'm not going to be talking to this guy. So I try to go around him. He swerves in front of me. And slams
he's got
on
road rage.
Whoa, it was so frightening. He slammed on his brakes again. And for an instant, my life flashed, and I thought, I'm going to die by this asshole. I couldn't believe it, you know? Like, this was such a...
Oh, my God.
And I swerved into the fast lane. And then, luckily, it just happened to be, you know, God was looking out for me and just happened to be open. But that scared
wow, that's
me.
terrible.
She was shaking when she came to the office.
I was shaking. I was wired.
Yeah.
Because road rage.
Yeah, I never
he
really
was taking it out on you, whatever's going on.
Never experienced it. And it was this really expensive car, you know, with this personal license plate and this really angry man. And I was pissed off. I was shaking. Yeah, I'm shaking now.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway,
Wow.
learned a lesson then. You know, you never know who you're dealing with in LA.
And just let jerks go around you,
I'll
Just
let jerks
them go
go
and
around.
get ahead.
Yeah.
Let them get some distance on you.
Interviews, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's
So there
not
you go.
worth it. What?
So dangerous, you know. But it was interesting to see how angry it made me, you know. So then I'm like, okay, you know. And it's just, you know, let it go. Jeez.
Wow,
Next
that's
time,
awful.
keep your hands in your lap. No
Yeah,
more
I know.
No more
Sharon and I were
sign
laughing. Next time I'll do one of these, you know. Or if I have to, or all this. You know?
I don't
Okay.
What I was saying.
I'll do this. That was better.
Or
Oh, yeah,
this.
Sharon was trying to get me to do this.
Just this one really annoying.
I know. How's it going? Oh, no, I just thought this man's going to kill somebody one day if that's how he reacts to people, you know.
Yeah.
It's a shame.